हेलो बच्चों, मैं आज आप लोगों को फिज़िक्स का इंग्लिश मीडियम का असाइनमेंट करवाने वाली हूँ। लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों से एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ। अगले महीने भी मैं सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के इंग्लिश हिंदी में सारे असाइनमेंट्स आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आऊँगी। तो उसके लिए आप लोग मेरे इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर ले और बेल आइकन को दबा दें, क्योंकि बेल आइकन दबाने से ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा। और बच्चों, आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करके मेरे ये वीडियोस को शेयर करें। और अब तक के लिए आप लोगों ने जितना सपोर्ट किया है मुझे, उसके लिए आप लोगों को बहुत सारा थैंक यू, दिल से थैंक यू। आप लोगों का प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से सबमिट हो और आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स मिले, यही मुझे पूरी आशा है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ऑफ यूनिट n अपॉन c, ऑल्सो मेंशन दैट इट इज़ अ वेक्टर और अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी अभी देख लेते हैं। राइट द डेफिनेशन एंड डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ऑफ यूनिट फैराड। इसका मैं हिंदी में ऑलरेडी ट्रांसलेशन एक अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ, तो आप लोगों को मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बता रही हूँ। आप लोग इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन उस वीडियो में जाके देख सकते हैं। आंसर 1, द SI यूनिट ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और electric field strength is Newton's Coulomb n upon c. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. The direction of electric field intensity is the same as the direction of force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point. इसका सेम मैंने हिंदी में भी बना के रखा है, आप उसको भी जाके एक बार देख लीजिए, आपको पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा। इंग्लिश मीडियम बच्चों का बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट था करके मैं ये फिज़िक्स का इंग्लिश में डाल रही हूँ, क्योंकि फिज़िक्स बहुत हार्ड होता है, तो मैंने इसलिए इसको अपलोड किया है, बहुत मेहनत करके इसको ट्रांसलेट किया है। अब इसको मैं सिर्फ समझा रही हूँ। आप लोगों को इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन अगर चाहिए तो आप लोग हिंदी वाला वीडियो देख सकते हैं। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं सेकेंड आंसर में। यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस, द SI यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस इज कॉल्ड फैराड। F. Capacitance of a capacitor is the amount of charge required to raise its potential by unity. Now, dimensional formula of capacitance. Capacitance C is equals to charge Q upon potential difference V. Now, charge Q is equals to, we know, current into time. Now, dimensional formula would be charge is equals to A into T. Now, the potential difference would be equals to work done W upon charge Q is equals to mL square T inverse 2 upon A into T. Capacitance C is equals to A into T upon mL square T minus 2 upon A into T is equals to A into T into A into T upon mL square T inverse. Capacitance C is equals to m inverse 1 L inverse 2 T to the power 4 A to the power 2. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor having air between its plate is 10 microfarad if the distance between the plates is reduced to half and the medium between plates is replaced by a medium of dielectric constant, that is K is equals to 5, then find the value how much increase or decrease in the capacitance of the capacitor. Now let's see what will be the answer. First, here we have a parallel plate capacitor in between which air is present. Since dielectric constant of air K is equals to 1, then C1 is equals to K epsilon naught A upon D is equals to 10 microfarad is equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. That is equation 1. Then, when distance between the plates is reduced to half and the medium between plates is replaced by a medium of dielectric constant K equals to 5, then K is equals to 5 and D dash is equals to D upon 2 given. Then, C2 is equals to K epsilon naught A upon D dash, that is equation 2. Now, we will solve it. C2 is equals to 5 into epsilon naught A upon D by 2 C2 is equals to 5 into 2 into epsilon naught A upon D. That becomes C equals to 10 into epsilon naught A upon D. By equation 1, epsilon naught A upon D is equals to C1. Then we will get C2 is equals to 10 C1. That is equation 3. C2 is equals to 10 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Since C1 is equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. C equals to 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. That will become C is equals to 100 microfarad. Hence, if the direction between the plates is reduced to half and medium of dielectric constant K is equals to 5 is filled between plates, then capacitance is increased 10 times. Now question number 3. A positive point charge plus Q is kept near a charged plate. First, draw the electric field lines of forces from point charge to the plate. And second, derive an expression for the electric field intensity at the surface of a plate. Properties of electric field lines are written as below. First, electric field lines are discontinuous curves. Second, electric field lines are start from a positively charged body and ends at a negatively charged body. Third, the electric field lines are always normal to the surface of a conductor. As we can see in the diagram, you can see all the positive charges coming to the plate and it makes a normal curve, means perpendicular to the plate. Electric field intensity due to charged plate. Let us consider a charged plate. Let sigma is the surface density of charge on plate, that is charge for area, charge upon area. Okay. Now you can see in the diagram intensity vector E at any point P at a perpendicular distance r from plate. We calculate electric field. Let us imagine a cylinder of cross-sectional area ds around P and length 2r piercing through the plate. At two cylindrical edges P and Q, vector E and outside normal n cap are parallel to each other. Electric flux over these edges equals to 2 vector E into n cap ds. Electric flux phi is equals to 2E ds. On curved surface of the cylinder, vector E and outward normal n cap are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, no contribution to electric flux is made by the curved surface of the cylinder. Therefore, total electric flux over the entire surface of cylinder is equals to 2 EDS. As area of the plate intercepted by cylinder is ds, therefore, total charge enclosed by the cylinder equals to sigma into ds. According to Gauss's law in electrostatistics, 2E into ds is equals to q upon epsilon naught is equals to sigma ds upon epsilon naught. Since q is equals to sigma into ds, then E is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. अब हम क्वेश्चन 4 करेंगे। मैं आपसे बार बार कह रही हूँ कि इसका पूरा हिंदी में डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो बना हुआ है। आपको हिंदी में अगर समझना है तो उस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा और प्लेलिस्ट में आपके हर सब्जेक्ट का इंग्लिश हिंदी में दिया हुआ असाइनमेंट और अगले महीने भी मैं ऐसे ही करूँगी। तो आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा दें। और बच्चों, डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरे सारे प्लेलिस्ट के आपको लिंक मिल जाएंगे, तो उसके थ्रू आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। नाउ द क्वेश्चन, 2 point charge QP is equals to plus 2 microcoulomb
and QQ is equals to minus 2 microcoulomb are placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in air or vacuum. A point, we have to calculate the electric field intensity along the center of the line joining the two charge. A 2-point charge QP is equals to plus 2 microcoulomb and QQ is equals to minus 2 microcoulomb are joining by the center of line, and electric field intensity vector E at the point midpoint of line is, as you can see in the diagram, 2-point charge, that is P and Q. Q charging point is plus 2 microcoulomb and QQ charging point is minus 2 microcoulomb, and difference between both P and Q is 10 centimeter. Vector EA is equals to vector EB. Let vector E is equals to vector EA plus vector EB, since vector EA is equals to vector EB. Therefore, vector E is equals to vector EA plus vector EA. We can write like this. Now vector E is equals to 2 vector EA, since E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square. Then vector E is equals to 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square. Here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is equals to 2 microcoulomb is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 given. Then 2L is equals to 10 centimeter. R is equals to L upon 2. It becomes 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. Then it will become 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. Substituting above values, then we will get E equals to 2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square. Then after putting the values, we will get 2 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Then E is equals to 2 into 9 into 2 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 5 square into 10 to the power minus 4. Then E will become 36 upon 25 into 10 to the power 7. E equals to 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 7 Newton per Coulomb. Equation 1. Then 2. As we know, force vector F is equals to QR into vector E, where QR is equals to minus 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb given. E is equals to 1.44 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per Coulomb from equation 1. Now vector F is equals to minus 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 1.44 into 10 to the power 7. Then vector F is equals to minus 1.728 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton in direction of vector OQ. Now the last question, mention two differences between potential due to a point charge and potential due to an electrical dipole. Also derive an expression for the electric potential at a point on the extended axis of an electric dipole. Electric field due to point charge and electric dipole. Now difference between point charge and dipole. Electric dipole. First, electric field intensity due to point charge is directly proportional to the magnitude of the point charge, that is E directly proportional to Q. Now electric field due to dipole is directly proportional to the magnitude of movement, that is E proportional to P. Now next point, electric charge due to point charge at a point is inversely proportional to the surface of the distance of the observation point from source charge, that is E is inversely proportional to R square. And now we will see the second point, electric field due to small dipole is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance of the observation point from midpoint of a dipole, that is E is inversely proportional to R cube. Now, electric potential due to minus q charge at point P is V2 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into minus q upon Bp. V2 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into minus q r plus 1 upon r plus 1, equation 2, since Bp is equals to r plus 1. According to the principle of superposition, V is equals to V1 plus V2 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into q upon r minus L plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into minus q upon r plus L. Now we can take common q upon 4 pi epsilon naught k in bracket 1 upon r minus L minus 1 upon r plus L will be left. Is equals to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught k in bracket, if we will take LCM and applying the formula a minus b, a plus b in place of a square minus b square, then it will become r plus L plus minus r plus L upon r minus L into r plus L. Then it will become q upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into 2L upon r square minus L square. V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k into P upon r square minus L square volt, since 2QL is equals to P. Now, for air k is equals to 1, L, let L is very smaller than R, then L is neglected. Therefore, V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P upon R square volt. That will become our answer. I hope you will become understand. आप लोगों को मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो सारे इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट्स के इंग्लिश में मिल जाएंगे, इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले वीडियो आज ही, तो शाम तक आप वेट कर लीजिए।